please explain to me why have you used Lemsip Max cold and flu remedy box to cover the camera
you know
module?
What happened? I took a picture. I put I had a cold and I put it on there.
Okay. And you covered the front camera with what? Another part of the box as well?
No, I took the picture and I was on a bus, I think.
Okay.
And I had my face mask on. And I had it's got the Face ID thing.
Okay.
And they couldn't recognize, and I said, you know what? Fuck you, man. So I'll reset it when I got home.
Yeah, but why do you cover the back camera?
It's a conspiracy theory. I don't understand it myself.
Why?
Because I don't want people looking at me. Did you know that app like Google and YouTube?
Yes,
even
man.
Firefox,
Yes, man. That's how they make their money.
No, they record your voice. They take a picture of you. So anyway, if you can help me, it's a dual SIM. So if you can help me out, hopefully they'll give me some work Saturday.
Okay.
And they'll get paid next week because it was supposed
because
to be
your
last week.
specs on here are fake.
I know.
There's no way.
Do you know how much I bought it for?
10, 15 pounds, 20 pounds.
I bought it for £89. Do you know why I bought it? Because all the fucking reviews were fake by the.
Cool, thanks. Yeah, okay. You bought yourself a fake phone, a fake review. Nice.
Really? Yeah, all the reviews, they're saying it's the best phone I've had for a year. It's better than the Samsung, it's better than this and that. I bought it. So yeah, this is just for you lending me money to have something. You probably make, because it's a dual SIM, you probably make some money out of it.
What do you mean?
It's a dual SIM. People, you know how dual SIM works. It's unlocked. You'll get some money.
I will look on this filthy site called eBay to see exactly
I don't know if you're going to find it on there. If you go to
S25 dual SIM,
how much
I think I found it, but I can't tell because you've covered up the camera module.
Yeah, just take it off.
Can I do that? It won't like locate where.
Don't break the screen though.
I'm gonna break the screen.
It's very fucking fragile, man. That's how you take the fucking cover off. What fucking wrong with you?
What was that all about?
The way you fucking take it off. What do you need the camera for? It's just
to
one
see
camera.
if it's that particular phone.
Fucking hell, man. Yeah, man. Take the fucking cover off. It comes off. The battery comes off.
Okay. That's the most craziest thing ever, man.
I know, man. I spent 89 quid on it when I was working. Yeah, this was the size as Samsung. This size as 30, S30 Plus.
It's a blatant it's trying to rip the S20 Ultra.
Can I just get some help?
Because if I compare the S20 Ultra, that's the S20 Ultra.
It does look.
And
it does look.
That's the blatant rip.
But it's a dual SIM and it does work. It's 5G, by the way.
I'm gonna take a photo of this.
What?
Because this is fucking jokes.
Yo, you can do whatever you want, man. So, I just need to borrow some money, man.
Okay.
It's not for drugs or anything. I don't have money for basic food. I have £2 and I'm going to use that on the bus.
Okay.
So what can you lend me?
What do you need?
I need 100 quid. There you go. I said it. How much can you give me?
Give you £20. So do you know what? I don't really want this phone.
I'm not giving you the phone.
Yeah, I'm
trying to help myself to get to work Saturday. Tomorrow's Friday. I told them I can't work Friday because I'm Muslim. Yeah. They got a bit upset about that. Okay. So I cancelled today's shift.
Okay.
It goes.
Yeah, I know. I'm just gonna leave it like this.
So what the fuck?
This way.
Yeah.
So that's
yeah. Good man.
So yeah.
Can you do 30?
I don't want
to give you the money next Friday.
I'll do 20. I'll do 20.
Can you do 25?
I'll do 25.
No, because if it wasn't for the bus, it was just for the food.
Fine. I'll do 25. Fine. I'll buy you a fake S20 Ultra for £25.
I mean, you can go up if you want.
No, I don't really want it because it's just a.
Can you make it 26 so I can get a drink? I'll buy you something.
Okay, fine. I'll get you 26.